What's up, Jalen Noble here, and today I'm going to be trimming my beard with the use of these Wahl beard trimmers. So again, today we're going to be trimming some of this down. First, we're going to kind of keep this neckline in check. You can see I have some hair here, but what I really want to do is just kind of go around and clean that up because I like the look of where the neck meets the chin. We're going to keep that as close to skin as possible. And then with the rest of it, I'm going to kind of trim around this area, give me a nice shape up with these trimmers, and then go from there. Oh yeah. It's smooth on my neck, which is great. Because sometimes with previous trimmers, it like catches on to certain hairs and kind of pulls at them, but this feels comfortable running on my neck. Wow. It's always tricky because I get some extra hairs right in here that I want to get rid of as well. Aesthetics are everything. But today, what we're going to do is we're going to kind of trim some of this down using the one guard. Okay, the one guard is taking some down. Just kind of kept it clean, kind of kept it close to where it was, just retrimmed it, got it back to where it needed to be going into the weekend. Alrighty guys.